English language related abbreviations. AE American English, BRE British English, IELTS International English Language Testing System, TOEFL Test of English as a Foreign Language, EFL English as a Foreign Language, ESL English as a Second Language, ELT English Language Teaching, EAP English for academic purposes, BEC Business English Certificate, FCE First Certificate in English, PET Preliminary English Test, KET Key English Test, EGP English for General Purposes, BE Business English, CELTA Certificate in English Language Teaching to Adults, TEFL Teaching English as a Foreign Language, TESOL Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages, TOEIC Test of English for International Communication, CPE Certificate of Proficiency in English, PTE Pearson Test of English, PEIC Pearson English International Certificate, CAE Certificate in Advanced English, ELA English Language Arts, CEFRL Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, EWC English for Written Communication, ACPE Advanced Certificate of Proficiency in English, ELCE English Language for Competitive Exams, TEE Technical English for Engineers, PTE Pedagogy of Teaching English, ELCC English Language Certificate Course, WE Workplace English, ISEC Intensive Spoken English Course, EngLit English Literature, CE Communicative English, FE Functional English, BEL Bachelor of English Literature, TPE Translational Proficiency in English, Gen E General English, IDP International Development Program, OED Oxford English Dictionary.